This is the Sanus Premium Full Motion TV Wall Mount, which fits TVs 37 to 50 inches and holds up to 75 pounds. With this full motion mount, you can extend your TV up to 20 inches from the wall, allowing you to swivel your TV for a perfect view from any seat in the room. And eliminate glare from lights and windows by tilting your TV down 15 degrees. Easily conceal your component and power cables. Thinking of cutting the cord? Check out our streaming device panel to hide your streaming device or other small accessories behind your TV. An audible click confirms your TV is safely attached to the wall. After installation, you can easily adjust your TV for perfect positioning. Included wall plate covers ensure hardware is hidden when the TV is extended out from the wall. Full motion mounts are ideal when you want to swivel your TV left and right for the perfect view from anywhere. They extend to allow TV placement in corners and recesses. Tilts with the fingertip to reduce glare from lights and windows, making them perfect for mounting a TV above eye level. And to provide easy access to conceal your cables. Full motion TV mounts also add space and style to the room and protect children and pets from TV tipovers. Enjoy the Sanus easy 3-step install. Simply attach brackets to your TV. Attach wall plate to wall and hang your TV on the wall plate. Sanus is the #1 brand of TV wall mounts. All Sanus premium mounts are safety tested and UL certified and feature a 10-year warranty.
Hey guys, Nate here with Echogear. Today we're going to be upgrading this tilting mount to the Echogear MaxMotion mount so we can swing that thing and watch TV anywhere in the living room. Don't lose these. Smooth. Get your lag bolts. Cable management. Now that we've upgraded to the MaxMotion full motion mount, we can watch the TV from anywhere in the room and get the perfect angle. We've paired it with the soundbar mount from Echogear that moves with your TV so the sound's pointed in the right direction as well, and the in-wall cable management kit so all the cords are hidden away. You can find all these items on our Amazon storefront. I'm Nate, and I'm really bad at goodbyes.